Screw the antenna on the machine. Plug in the power supply. Wait for the machine to emit wait to be connected voice prompt. Download the software. ABP to open the QR code in the menu. Scan and open with a browser. Download the app. Open the app, register and log in. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner. Select the first Set up my device to Wi-Fi. Confirm that Wi-Fi is not 5G. Click Next step. Enter Wi-Fi password. Waiting for connection. Set a password for the device. Then follow the prompts. Complete the setting according to your specific needs, and then you can start watching. Connection succeeded.